What's up, guys? My name is Luke Buxton.
Aaron Murphy.
We are two students at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill.
We are at the NAB conference in Las Vegas.
We're here to show you guys around the convention center, show you the sights and sounds of the NAB conference. So hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
So we just finished watching Jason Levine give a presentation on color matching,
Adobe Jesus,
color matching, sound ducking, auto sound ducking, and motion graphic templates in Premiere Pro. Really cool stuff. We're about to go explore and then head over to the Adobe Edition booth for another presentation.
All right.
So right now we're currently filming on a Canon 70D, so we thought nothing is better than to go check out the Canon station. What's up, guys? We're here at one of the stations at the Canon booth. They let you operate their equipment. You get to film like you're filming in a TV studio. These are way nicer cameras than I've ever used, but it's awesome having the chance to try these out and experience what it's like to film on a TV set. Okay, quick break for a little foosball war.
I'm gonna thrash him.
Easy win. 1-0 Luke. How do you feel?
I feel gypped. That was supposed to be a warm-up match. I didn't know that was for keeps.
So one of the coolest things we got to do yesterday was try out a Bolt camera. It's one of the fastest moving cameras. It was used in videos like Kendrick Lamar's Humble music video, and it produced some really cool videos. Check it out.
So we just entered in a sweepstakes with Rokinon and Zine. They make wonderful lenses. We'll see if we win. I hope so. We got to enter in twice. We had to scream, "I love Zine, I love Rokinon!" Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed us making fools of ourselves. I want free stuff. Everyone loves free stuff.
And there are way more people than we expected to be here.
I won a cloth. Yay! Let's go.
It was a long day, but a great day at day one of the NAB conference in Las Vegas.
It was a long, arduous day. No, it was pretty fun. I'm excited to do it tomorrow, and hopefully I'll actually win something worth value.
All right, let's go to bed.
All right.